Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve another interesting LeetCode problem number 1221 called split a string in balance string. In this video, I will first explain the problem in very simple words with examples. Then we will walk through the step by step the C++ solution, understand the logic behind it, and finally test it out. So let's dive right in. The problem says you are given a balance string S that only contains the character L and R. A balanced string means it has the same number of L characters as R characters. Your task is to split this string into the maximum number of balanced substrings. Each substring you split must itself be balanced, and finally, we need to return how many such substrings we can get. Let's go through the examples to understand better. Example 1. If input S is equals to RLRRLLRL. So the output is 4. Why? Because we can split it into RLRRLL, RL, and RL. Each of these substring has equal numbers of L and R that makes 4 substrings. If input 2 is equals to RLRRRLLRLL, so the output is becomes 2. Why? Because one split is RL and the other is RRRLLRLL. Again, both are balanced, so the answer is 2. Example 3. If input S is equals to LLLLRRRR, so the output is 1. Why? Because of the entire string itself is balanced, but it can't be split into smaller balanced pieces. So the answer is just 1. So basically, the trick is whenever you find equal number of L and R while scanning the string, that's one balanced substring. Our goal is to count how many times this happens. Now that we clearly understand the problem, let's move on the C++ solution and walk through it step by step. Here we create a class solution and inside it a function balance string split that takes a string s as input and returns integer the maximum number of balance substrings. We start with count is equals to 0 to keep track of the how many balance substring we have found. We also use a variable balance is equals to 0 to measure the difference between L and R while scanning the string. We use a loop to go through each character's C in the string. If the character is L, we increase the balance by 1. And if the character is R, we decrease the balance by 1. Why? Because we want to keep track how balanced the string is. If balance becomes 0, it means the number of L's and R's are equal up to this point. That's exactly when we found a balanced substring. So we increment count. And after finishing the loop, we simply return the count. That gives us the maximum number of balanced strings. Okay, now that we understand the logic, let's test the code with examples we saw earlier. If the input is RLRRLLRLRL, so the tracking balance are R raised to minus 1, L to 0, so the count is 1. Then continue RLLL, balance becomes 0 again, count is equals to 2. Then RL, balance is equals to 0, count is equals to 3. Then another RL, balance is equals to 0, count is equals to 4. So the output is 4. Input 2. If S is equals to RL, RRRR, LL, RLL. So first RL balance is equals to 0, count is equals to 1. Rest all the strings get balance is equals to 0, count is equals to 2. So the output is equals to 2. And just like uh, s- uh, uh, example 1 and 2 in example 3, S equals to LLLL, RRRRR. Only at very and balance becomes 0. So count is equals to 1. So output is also becomes to 1. All the test cases works perfectly. And that's how we solve the LeetCode problem number 1221. Split a string in balance string. We first understood the what a balance string means. look at examples, then use a simple trick with a balance counter to count. Whenever the string becomes unbalanced, finally, we tested the solution in C++. I hope this explanation made the problem clear and easy to understand. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more coding walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.